Hello again, boys and girls. So I'm wondering, have you started your own garden yet? Well, I've got another story to share with you. This is called The Surprise Garden. It's written by Zoe Hall and illustrated by Sherry Halpern. And it is published by Scholastic. We're planting the seeds for a surprise garden. Can you guess what we will grow? So I want you to look very carefully at the different kinds of seeds that they have. Look at the shape of the seeds, the color of the seeds. What do you think those seeds will grow? I see some that I recognize. All right, let's see. We don't know. It's a surprise. First, we use our trowel and rake to loosen the soil. Mom has given us each a handful of all kinds of seeds. Look at all the different shapes and sizes. So did you notice that they sorted their seeds first? So they put all the seeds that were the same together. We poke the seeds into the soil one by one. We've painted sticks different colors to mark the different kinds of seeds. Then we water the seeds and wait for our surprise garden to grow. So I noticed that they had some soil, they had their seeds, they've added water. What else might help those seeds to grow? Did you say sunlight? Did you say the air? Both of those things will also help those seeds grow. Soon the seeds sprout into small green shoots. Now I see some other creatures in the garden. I see a worm and a ladybug and a spider. And it looks like there's a bunny rabbit that wants some of those sprouts. We water the plants and the sun warms them. Our garden grows and grows. On some plants, flowers bloom. I wonder if that's why the bees came to the garden. Before long, the petals fall off. Surprise! We see peas, beans, and squash. So all of those get blossoms first, and then the blossoms grow into the food. On some plants, leaves grow close to the ground. Surprise! We see spinach and lettuce. And what is growing here? Surprise! We see broccoli and cauliflower. Is anything growing here? Surprise! We find carrots and radishes. They are growing under the ground. Here is the longest plant in our garden. Flowers bloomed on this plant too. Surprise! We find a big watermelon. Here is the tallest plant in our garden. Surprise! It's a sunflower, and it is full of tasty seeds. All summer long, the food in our surprise garden ripens. We like to pick the food. They have a lot to do. And eat it too. Surprise! We're having a garden party. That looks like fun. And what we grew in our surprise garden. And there is a picture of the different kinds of seeds and the different kinds of things that they grew. What would you like to grow if you had your own surprise garden? That's the end. I enjoyed reading this story to you, and I hope you liked it too. Thanks for joining me.